If you are a Forex trader in Kenya and you struggle with overtrading, inconsistency, or random entries, this video will change how you trade. Today, I'm going to walk you through a professional daily Forex trading schedule that I personally recommend for discipline, clarity, and long-term profitability, okay? Now, first, as you can see on my screen, we have pre-market preparation. Now, what is pre-market preparation and what does it entail? Now, the pre-market preparation is usually between 9:30 to 10:30 East African time, all right? This is not a trading session, it is preparation. During this session, I begin by making my marking the previous day's high and low, then the Asian session high and low. Next, I go to the H1 and H4 time frames, which is the 1 hour and 4 hour time frames, to define my market buyers, okay? Finally, I draw my key institutional levels, which is the order blocks, fair value gaps, and liquidity zones. If I skip this step, do not trade, okay? Do not trade if you skip this step. This is a very important step, right? For you to enter the market, you must prepare yourself. Again, we have night now, and after that, we have the London session. Now, from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., it is my first trading window, the London session, all right? I focus on pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, and gold. During this session, I'm looking for London breakouts, pullbacks into key levels, or liquidity grabs, okay? I take a maximum of 2 trades. 1 clean setup is more than enough, all right? Remember, quality over quantity any time of the day. After that, we have the London-New York overlap. Okay, now this is at all times are based on East Africa, right? So if you're in Kenya, we usually use the EAT time, so it will at least be easier for you to convert it. Okay, now you have the London-New York overlap. Between 4 p.m. and 7 p.m., it is the most important trading window of the day. All right, this is when London and New York overlap, creating maximum liquidity. This is where the best setups form. Strong continuations, sharp reversals, and institutional moves, all right? If you can only trade 1 session per day, trade this one, all right? The London, New York is extremely beyond amazing. That is from, let's say, 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. for those who are in Kenya, okay? Yeah, it's the best time for you to trade during this hour, all right? Yeah, by the way, if you're looking for the best time to trade in Forex, choose the London, New York overlap. This one will never, ever disappoint you. After that, we have the New York session. Now, what does the New York session entail? From 7 p.m. to 9 p.m., trading is optional, okay? I only trade if there is a very clear continuation or a confirmed news reaction. If I already made my profit for the day, I stop trading, okay? Overtrading destroys accounts. Both in binary and Forex, overtrading destroys accounts, okay? You have to be very careful not to actually overtrade, okay? Yeah, so the New York session, yeah, it is optional. It is not a must to trade it, but you can only trade once you have a clear confirmation. Now, after the New York session, now we have the post-market review. This is between 9 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. or between 21:00 hours to 21:30 hours. At the end of the day, between 9 and 9:30 p.m., I review my trades, okay? I screenshot every trade, journal my entries, and exit and note my emotions, okay? This is where real improvement happens, not during the trade, but after. Always journal, always have a journal to note what happened during the day, to note some activity that you saw in the market, because you never know how this information will help you come the future, okay? Yeah, now what risk management tactic do I use when I'm trading in Forex? Or basically, what risk management do I use? Now, I risk between 0.5 and 1% per trade, all right? I take a maximum of 2 trades a day here. If I lose twice, I stop trading immediately. Risk management is more important than any strategy. You have to become very careful whenever you're trading in Forex, okay? You can end up blowing your account really, really fast, okay? Now, what do you take away from all this? Trading is not about trading all day, okay? It is about trading the right hours with a clear plan. Follow a routine like this and consistency will follow, right? I hope this has helped a lot of you, because most people are asking me to make a video at least explaining the best sessions or the best hours to trade in Forex. I hope this will help you. In case you have any query or any question, you can ask it down in the comment section. I'll be there to answer you. For any inquiries, my WhatsApp number is in the description. And apart from that, if you have enjoyed the video, please ensure you subscribe and like. And if you can, please share. It will be highly appreciated. Thank you for watching, guys. Keep trading, keep pushing. Let us meet in the next one. Cheers.